Hey guys, welcome back to the beauty room for another video. So since we're all stuck inside, I figured I might share a little video with you of some cool shoes that I found at the bins. Some Uggs at the bins. Yes, honey. So I'm giving you natural hair today. I went ahead and did my nails for y'all, and I did my eyes for y'all. So that's how I'm finding ways to busy my time, do a manicure, do your makeup, and go with that natural. I'm rocking that natural hair, okay? So that's how I'm living out here during this situation. So let's get into the video, okay? So the first thing, I wanted to go to the bins, okay? I wanted some Converse, okay? That's the reason I went, as I wanted me some Converse. Because last time I went, I found me some Converse, but they were white. And I was like, well, I don't want no old dusted, busted up white shoes. But then I went and looked up and on YouTube and saw that you can clean them. You know, you actually can clean the white Converse, and they actually come out pretty decent. So I was driven to go to the bins to see if I could find me a pair of Converse, okay? Beauty Room Fitness announcement, okay? No, I did not go to the bins during this pandemic, okay? This is a haul of shoes that I found previously at the Goodwill outlet bins, okay? That I want to show you now. So I figure, okay, while we in the house, this is a great time to show you all the stuff that I found at the bins previously. I believe I went in February. Around my birthday month, and now I'm gonna show it to you guys, so don't get it twisted. No, honey, I'm in the house, I'm staying safe. You know your girl's not going to the Goodwill outlet at this time. I don't even think they're open right now, okay? So I just wanted to share this with you while we're at home. I thought this would be a cute video to show you while we're all stuck in the house, okay? And let's get back into the video. Okay, all right, bye. Whilst I was there, though, a bunch of people, I literally got there at 8:10. They opened at 8, and there were like 3 people with 2 carts each full of shoes. So I'm like, oh, great. Well, they got all the shoes. I ain't gonna find nothing. But no, your girl found them because they were leaving behind the Uggs. So I got a bag full of Uggs, okay? A bag full of Uggs, all right? You know what I'm saying? And I'm going to show you the shoes that I found. So if you want to see that, just keep watching and we're going to get into this, okay? So the first pair I found was a pair of gray Uggs. Yes, they are Uggs. They're like sparkly at the bottom. They got the zipper on the side. They got a buckle across the front, okay? And they're in decent condition. They have like a little doe fur inside. So they are, I don't know what size they are. They are size, let me see if I can tell you the size. They are size 8, okay? And then me, I wear a 6.5/7, but in a boot, I wear like a bigger size. So like I'll go up on a size. They're a little big for me, but they fit. And you know, when you in this winter, you wear like thick socks and stuff like that. So they fit me nicely and they're pretty comfortable. And I like the gray color, so I grabbed those, okay? And then with the shoes, like it was like 99 cents per pound that day. So, excuse me. So I barely paid anything for these shoes, okay? So the next pair I grabbed was, the tan pair. And I actually was wanting these for a while, the ones with the little bows on the side. I had my eye on a pair of these, and I actually found them at the bins, okay? So I found, don't drop them. So I found me a pair of Uggs at the bins, the ones with the bows on them. These are really cute. They say Ugg on the back. Got the fur on the inside. Let me see. These were a size. Let me see if I can find the size for y'all. I don't know. I don't think I can find the size, but they fit me really well. Look at the bottoms. Come on. Look at that. You know, and like I said, they don't look very, very much worn. I'm going to go ahead and wash these up and get them cleaned up and everything, and actually do some spring cleaning and actually get these washed up and cleaned for next season. But I just want to show you the Uggs that I had grabbed. I can't find the sizing on her, but they do fit me. So they're probably like a size 7 or something like that. We can compare them to the size 8 so y'all can see. See, they're probably like a size 7, 7.5, but they fit me really well. So got those, and I was excited to see those because I really thought these were really cute with the bow. All right, moving on to the next pair. You know how to get started with Uggs. I didn't even show you the Converse that I got. But I'm gonna keep showing you the Uggs as we go on because the Converse are at the bottom. So the next pair I found were these really cute tall Uggs. Okay, they got the buttons on the side. They have like they have 3 buttons down the side that say Ugg on them. Okay, and they're like white on the inside. These are a little bit more busted, and they're also a little dirty back here, so I need to clean that up and wash them, like scrub them with some OxyClean and like really clean those up and wash them really well. But not bad. I mean, for 99 cents per pound at the bins, not bad at all. I'll take them. Okay. And like I said, I don't know. These are a size. Let me tell you what size these are. I think she says it. Yeah, these are a size 6, which I told you I wear a size 6.5, size 7, and these actually fit me perfectly. So I think they're probably more like a 6.5 or whatever, but they fit me really, really good, even with the fur and everything. So I was glad to find these. Okay. So now I'm going to show you the Converse. This is the reason that I went to the store. So when I got in there, I told you 3 people had 2 carts each full of shoes. And as I was sifting, looking through the bins to try to find some Converse, a guy literally grabbed a pair of Converse and threw them into the cart. You know how your life slows down sometimes and goes into slow motion when you see something that you really want, you know what I mean? And you see somebody take it right before you can get to it. So like my heart dropped because I'm like, oh no, like he got like a last pair of Converse, because like I had one in my cart that I had found, but I couldn't find the mate. So I was like looking for the mate, and then he like threw a pair of Converse into the cart, and they were red, like my favorite color. And so I was like, oh man. So then I just went and asked the guy. I was like, hey, like, can I look at those? Because I'm like, you got 2 carts full of shoes. You know what I'm saying? Like, can the girl look at one pair? So he was like, yeah, go ahead. So I went ahead and I looked at them. And they were my size, and I was like, is it okay if I have these? And he was like, yeah, sure, take them. So he was really nice. So it actually worked out in my favor. So don't be afraid to ask people. Like, sometimes people are nice, you know what I'm saying? Like, and they'll actually help you out. So I'm going to show you the Converse that I got. So here they are. I took the laces out already. So here they are. Like I said, they're in decent conditions. I literally saw these flip into the cart, and I was like, oh, like my heart stopped like when I saw them. But like I took the laces out already because I'm going to go ahead and wash them. But they're red. They're actually in decent condition. Like even on the inside, they're not too dirty. Like I think almost Converse have like that, discoloration like on the inside from the rings or whatever, but not too bad condition. And they were your girl's size. So I think they were a size 7. No, they're actually a size 8, but you know what? That's not bad. They're red. They're cute. Spring is coming. These are perfect. So I'm going to wash these up and get them ready for spring. So I'm like excited about that, so I grabbed those at the bins. Okay, moving on. I also found some Toms at the bins. Okay, this was the day to go. I'm telling you, your girl grabbed all the shoes that they left behind. You know what I'm saying? They had 2 carts each, but your girl found a bag full for herself. So I grabbed me a pair of Toms. They're like paint. Like I like to paint. Fun fact. I used to, paint stuff, and I actually had it, go to like some galleries and stuff when I was in high school. If you didn't know that about me, I actually did painted this zebra, a ceramic piece, and it was actually won an award at a gallery. If you didn't know that about me, but I do like to paint. That's one of the things I like to do as a hobby, which I'd like to get into at this time. But anyway, so when I saw the paint splatters on these, I was like, yes, come to mama. So these are mine. I've been wanting some Toms, but the only thing with Toms, they're always rubbed out. Like the sole's not that great, but that's okay. We're going to wash them and we're going to make them work, okay? You could probably even rough them up a little bit on the bottom and you get a little bit of friction so they don't slide so much. But yeah, these are a size 7, so these are my size. So I grabbed those and threw those in my cart too. Moving on. Also, I found a pair of Ugg slippers, okay? I know. I was like, what? They left the Ugg slippers? Yes, they left the Ugg slippers behind. So I grabbed these babies, which I'm going to wash up. And they're super cute to wear in the house. Comfy, cozy. The bottoms are in pretty good condition. I'm going to wash those joints up. And let me see if I can find the size for y'all in the inside. These are a size 7, right? So like I said, somebody just got rid of they UGG collection, and your girl just grabbed it all because they were all in my size, okay? So it was for me to get them. So another pair, I also found another pair of Converse, okay? But I didn't find these at the bins, but I found them at another thrift store or something like that. So I grabbed these Converse, and they're gray. So I grabbed these, and I'm going to wash these joints up and get them clean. You know, they're gray. So I have 2 pairs of Converse now. So like I said, don't listen. You know, cast all your cares upon God, okay? And he will hear them, okay? So I just put the prayer up, like, I want some Converse. And then I ended up getting 2 pairs, okay? So these are gray. And they're real cool looking, you know. They didn't cost me that much. I think these were like $5 or something like that from the thrift store. And what size are these? What size are these? These are a size 6. Okay. Oh yeah, I think these are kids. Yes, these were kids size. Yeah. These are kids size. So no, they weren't $5. They were like, I think they were like $2 or $3. Like, they were really cheap. So I grabbed those. Okay. That's another tip. Like, if you have a small foot like me, my foot's 6.5. So I went ahead and grabbed the kid size, because I'll shop in a kid size all day. I wear like a size 4 in kids, or actually no, I don't think these are kids. They're size 6. They're probably girls, but they had them in the kids section, so I got them for the kids price. But anyway, tip: if you do have small feet like mine, 6.5, you can get a size 4 in kids and save that money, honey. Okay. So the last pair I found, I was sifting through, and I love Uggs. You know, I'm a nurse. I like some Uggs, but I like wearing them. Lately, I've just been wearing my Uggs, rocking them around like with an outfit like this, like just throwing, you know what I mean? Like just throwing on with some clothes, like. And then I found like some of my vintage, like I have some old like vintage jewelry and stuff. So like I remember I put like a little jewel on my Uggs that I have. So let me show you real quick. Let me go grab them for you. All right. So these are the pairs that I already own. And what I did is I went ahead and I added like a vintage piece of jewelry inside that hole. So instead of getting the ones that the Uggs sells, like I just went ahead and, that Crocs sell. I just went ahead and used like a really vintage piece. And I thought that really kind of made it look really like sophisticated and like super cute and super classy. So this is how I rock my Uggs. So I wanted another pair, because I have a navy blue one and I kind of wanted some more. So I kept looking, and I actually found these white Crocs. I think they're like cream. They're supposed to be like a cream color. They have a teal stripe across them, and they're gray in the front. Now somebody's dog like went ham on these shoes, okay? But I didn't care, because I'm like 99 cents a pound. You know, Crocs weigh like nothing. So I went ahead and grabbed these and threw them in the cart. So they are a little like beat up in the back a little bit. They do have the Croc emblem on them. So what I'm going to do is, you know, instead of rocking the strap in the front like you saw on my other ones, how I like rocking them like this, I'll rock them in the back. So then you won't even see that part, and you'll just see these. But these are pretty comfortable. They're super cute. They have their little Croc emblem on them. And I'll probably go ahead and do like I did with that one and find like a really cute vintage pin and put that in one of the holes on one of the shoes too. So I'm gonna do that with those. That's a really cute idea too, if you want to make your Crocs look more like classy and like cute with your outfits. You can do that. So that's all the shoes that I found at the bins, okay? I found a bunch of Uggs and Converse and a pair of Crocs. Oh, I forgot. I'm also wearing I found a pair of Old Navy flip-flops, and I'm wearing them today because they're neon and they actually match my outfit. Outfit of the day. I got like little neon outfit on. Okay. And so I paired them with those really cute neon flip-flops. So I did find those at the bins too. And like I said, these weigh like nothing. So they're practically probably like free. So hope you enjoyed this video. Excuse me. Stay inside, stay safe. This is a perfect time to do like spring cleaning and clean out your shoes, clean out your beauty room, clean up your shoes and get them put away for next winter. So clean up all your Uggs and get them ready for next winter. And go ahead and clean up your spring shoes, like your Converse and stuff like that, for spring and summer that is coming. So that would be a great thing for you to do while you're stuck inside, just to give you something to do. Okay, so hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you found your inner glow while watching it, and I'll see you in the future. Bye.